The goal was not just portability. It was to engineer a compact espresso machine that truly matches the taste quality that you'd expect from a coffee shop. Home espresso machines are often expensive, non-portable, and take up space. As a result, people resort to increasingly expensive takeout coffee or portable solutions that sacrifice quality for convenience. With COFFEEJACK V2, there is no compromise. After years of dedicated research and testing, we've unlocked the science behind achieving exceptional espresso anywhere at a fraction of the cost. This makes the everyday coffee effortless and the adventure coffee accessible. Whether you're hiking through the mountains, enjoying a holiday getaway, or stuck at the office where quality coffee is hard to come by, our solution ensures you'll never have to settle for less than the perfect cup, no matter where you are. This machine is for those who refuse to compromise on quality and believe that great coffee can enhance the moment wherever you go.